Hello. I'm George from COREDO.eu. The topic of today's video is opening a bank account in Poland. A stable and diversified economy, a very prudent monetary policy and constantly rising welfare levels have created one of the most attractive banking systems in Eastern Europe. Poland has several dozens of public and commercial banks, which handle significant domestic and foreign financial flows. Well-known financial groups are represented in Polish banking sector, therefore opening an account in a Polish bank could be a calling card for any business. Unlike, for example, the Baltic states or Cyprus, Polish banks are rather fastidious about opening accounts, especially for non-residents, which prevents abuses related to money laundering. However, once an account is opened, funds deposited in Polish banks are fully protected. It is insured by the Bank Guarantee Fund. The guarantee limit for the depositor is €100,000. Advantages of opening a bank account in Poland. Apart from a guaranteed deposit, opening an account in Poland has a number of indisputable advantages. Possibility of opening a multi-currency account, which is especially relevant if a company or entrepreneur works with a foreign company or sole proprietor. Possibility of opening accounts for both natural persons and legal entities. Easy-to-use online banking. No currency restrictions in terms of the transaction volumes. Favorable investment offers. Strict bank secrecy. Account opening procedure in Poland. Our company's service enables you to open a personal or corporate account without the bother and hassle. The process of verification by a banking institution and the opening of an account takes from 10 to 14 days. It all depends on the requirements of the chosen bank and the type of your business. The standard set of documents includes director, company owners and other attorneys-in-fact ID cards as well as the original statutes, apostilled. Please contact us if you ever need to open an account in Poland. Our specialists have extensive experience in working with local banks and are ready to help in choosing the proper bank for your business as well as assist in preparing the necessary documents. COREDO experts will help you choose the right bank, prepare and execute documents. Contact us on COREDO.eu and get a consultation. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel and stay up to date with financial news and services.